Okay, guys. This is a train game. Basically, it says noob train, so I'm gonna be playing this. By the way, leave a comment if you want me to do a Dandy's World Run video thing. Okay. We'll do like 100 noobs. No, a bunch of noobs. Then I will crash the server. Well, not really crash the server, but just like make the noobs go everywhere, and then the noobs will run wild, and then yeah. Or 1,000. This to the thing over here. Whatever this is. Oh, that's their football game up here. Oh. What? Nope, nope. What just happened? I don't care about this. Okay. Whee! Okay. They're all pouring out like a thing. Oh wait, I have an idea. Get out of my way, noobs. Let's do. No, let's just. Nah. Okay, let's just do 50. Let's do bajillion noobs. Then, oh my god. They're pouring out. What is happening? Okay, this is taking a long while. Oh, they're going crazy. They're going crazy. Why is this man Michael Jordan, basically? Or girl? I don't know. Oh, look, it looks like a drink with like a straw or something. Yeah, I might put like a little SpongeBob thing where it goes like 2,000 years later. Oh wait, it stopped. Okay, so that took forever. Okay, well my videos are usually not that long, so goodbye.